Okay, students, today we are going to learn a small portion of grammar from the back side of a first lesson, Mother Teresa. Last term we have learned about homophones and homonyms. Do you remember what is homophones and homonyms? Eh? Now, today we are going to learn about homographs. That is also, what is homograph? Homograph is same spelling, same meaning, same spelling, but meaning will be different. Sorry, homographs have same meaning, but meaning will be different. Okay. Are you clear? Homographs have same spelling will be same, but the meaning will be different. For example, here see bat. You know what is bat? All of you know what is bat. Cricket bat, you will say. That spelling is also BAT bat. And at night, a bird will come to eat the guvas, the fruits of our surroundings. That is bat, a bird. Okay, same spelling, but meaning is different. That is known as homographs. And here we have another bow, B-O-W, bow. Bow and arrow, bow, B-O-W. Now, bow, same spelling, but we pronounce in a different way. One is bow, and another, this is also, boys will keep a bow on over their shirt. That is also B-O-W, bow. Another is bow and arrow. Now, another one, when you see your teachers, what will you do? You will bow, B-O-W, bow. Bow your head and wish them. That is bow. We bow our head in front of God. Okay, now there are some more words in that section. In your textbook you can see fine. What is fine? It's a fine morning. You'll say, that is fine, beautiful, fine. And another thing, if you did not pay the fees at the right time, you had to pay fine. That is also, the spelling is F-I-N-E, fine. Now, another one is M-I-N-U-T-E, minute. On the watch, there are minutes. And another, we pronounce minute, very small, minute. Okay, same spelling, different means, different is, meaning is different. And next one is wave. When you come to school, your mothers, when you alighted to the school bus, your mothers will wave at you, wave your hands. And another, when you go to the sea, you can see waves, huge waves are coming. But the spelling is W-A-V-E. Okay, that is homographs. Now, another small grammar you are going to learn is degrees of comparison. Okay, degrees of comparison. If you are in a classroom, we can teach you like that. 3 boys will call. 1, 2, 3. Small, tall, taller, tallest. Like that. One is tall. For that we will call, that is equal, tall, that is positive. Same, there is no need to any comparison. Positive means equal. So, that is positive. We are not comparing with anyone, positive. That is tall. Okay, then next degree is comparative. We are comparing this person to another. Then we will use the taller than. Okay, bigger. And Ramu is big. And Venu is bigger than. If Ramu and Venu are there, what will you say? Ramu is big. Venu is bigger than. Okay. And Ahmad is the biggest boy in the class. That is the superlative degree. Then you will use the and also est, biggest. For superlative, always you have to use the biggest. And with comparative, you have always to use you have to use always than. With positive you can say the same word. Okay. Now that is big, bigger, biggest. Okay. Now there are some differences in certain words. Good. We cannot say gooder, goodest. That is wrong. What is that? Good. And more better than, little more, that we will say better. Good, better, best. Okay. It is not gooder, goodest. Okay. Good, better, best. And likewise, bad also. What is that? Words. W-O-R-S-C. Words. Bad, words, worst. W-O-R-S-T. Okay, so superlative degree is worst. Understand? So there are some differences. And another word, some words are there. Suppose you are talking about 3 girls. Beautiful girls. How will you say? Rashmi is beautiful. And Ramya is more, don't say beautiful. Ramya is more beautiful than Rashmi. Okay. And the third one, Rakhi. Rakhi is the most beautiful girl among the 3. Rakhi is the most. More is comparative, most is superlative. So, Rakhi is the most beautiful girl among the 3. Rashmi, Rekha and Rakhi. Okay, understood? So these are the degrees of comparison, and we will in our Zoom class we will do all the exercises and you will know more about this. Okay, so study very well from the textbook all these grammars, gender, and the Zoom class I can very well explain you all about this. Okay, take care, bye.